Hey, fellow adventurers! Planning a trip to the incredible ancient city of Machu Picchu? I'm here to share some pro tips to make your visit absolutely unforgettable. First, get there early. Seriously, catching the sunrise over the ruins is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. For the best views, you'll want to book your tickets for Huayna Picchu or Machu Picchu Mountain way in advance, as they sell out fast. Looking for a less crowded spot? Hike up the smaller Machu Picchu, or take a short trek to the Inca Bridge for a thrilling hidden adventure. And don't forget the classic hike to the Sun Gate, or Inti Punku, for that iconic postcard shot. To truly understand the magic of this place, hire a local guide. They'll bring the history to life, pointing out amazing Inca stonework and hidden animal symbols you'd otherwise miss. For the easiest early morning access, stay overnight in the nearby town of Aguas Calientes. Trust me, these tips will transform your trip. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel secrets. Thanks for watching, hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on an epic journey to one of the new 7 wonders of the world, the incredible lost city of the Incas, Machu Picchu. I've been lucky enough to explore this magical place, and I've gathered all the essential tips to help you experience it like a true pro. So, grab your notebook, because you're going to want to write these down. This is your ultimate guide to exploring Machu Picchu. First things first, the absolute best way to start your day is by arriving early. I'm talking before the sun even peeks over the mountains. The gates open at 6 a.m., and being one of the first people inside is a game changer. You'll get to witness the mystical sunrise as the golden light slowly spills over the Andes, burning away the morning mist to reveal the ancient city below. It's a moment of pure magic, and you get to enjoy the sight in relative peace before the larger crowds arrive. Trust me, setting that early alarm is worth it for the unforgettable views and photos you'll capture. Now let's talk about those iconic bird's-eye views. To get them, you need to climb one of the 2 famous peaks towering over the citadel, Huayna Picchu or Machu Picchu Mountain. Here's the critical tip. You must book these hikes months in advance. Tickets are extremely limited and sell out lightning fast. Huayna Picchu is the steeper, more thrilling climb with its famous stairs of death, offering a direct, breathtaking view over the main ruins. Machu Picchu Mountain is a longer, more gradual ascent, but it rewards you with panoramic vistas of the entire complex and the surrounding Urubamba River Valley. Whichever you choose, booking ahead is non-negotiable if you want to experience these incredible perspectives. Looking for an adventure that's a little more off the beaten path? Let me introduce you to the Inca Bridge. This isn't the main stone bridge you see in photos, but a secret narrow trail carved into the side of a sheer cliff face. It leads to a historical drawbridge made of tree trunks that served as a secret entrance for the Inca army. While you can't cross the bridge itself anymore for safety reasons, the walk to the viewpoint is a thrilling, heart-pumping experience. It is a short hike from the main citadel and offers a fascinating glimpse into the strategic and engineering genius of the Incas. It's a perfect little adventure if you want to escape the main crowds for a bit. Speaking of escaping crowds, here's a pro tip that many people miss. Hike Machu Picchu. This is the little peak right next to the famous Huayna Picchu. It was opened to the public fairly recently and is often overlooked. The hike is much shorter and less strenuous than its taller neighbors, but the views are still absolutely spectacular. You get a fantastic perspective of the main plaza and surrounding structures without the long lines or the intense physical challenge. If you did not manage to get tickets for Huayna Picchu or just want a quicker climb with a big payoff, Machu Picchu is your golden ticket. It's a hidden gem for sure. If you were lucky enough to snag a ticket for the Huayna Picchu hike, there's another hidden treasure waiting for you, the Temple of the Moon. Tucked away on the far side of the mountain, this is a detour that most hikers skip because it adds about an hour to the trek. But oh, is it worth it? You'll find yourself in a stunning ceremonial shrine built inside a natural cave. The stonework is absolutely exquisite, rivaling some of the best in the main citadel. It's a deeply spiritual and tranquil place, far from the hustle and bustle above. Visiting the Temple of the Moon feels like discovering a secret world within a secret world. Another essential hike is the one to the Sun Gate, or Inti Punku. This was the original main entrance to Machu Picchu for those arriving on the classic Inca Trail. The hike from the citadel is about an hour to an hour and a half uphill, but it's a relatively gentle climb on a well-preserved stone path. Your reward? The classic, postcard-perfect panoramic view of Machu Picchu from a distance. It's the first view that Inca Trail hikers get, and experiencing it for yourself is a truly special moment. It helps you appreciate the scale and grandeur of the city in its magnificent mountain setting. Don't even think about skipping this one. As you wander through the city itself, pay close attention to the details. The Inca stonework is legendary for a reason. Look for the seamless, mortar-free joints where you can't even fit a knife blade between the massive stones. It's mind-boggling. Also, keep an eye out for animal symbolism. The Incas revered three main animals: the condor, representing the heavens, the puma, representing the earth, and the snake, representing the underworld. You can see these shapes cleverly integrated into the architecture. Another incredible option for serious hikers is the trek to the Laptapata ruins. From here, you get a completely unique and rarely seen side view of Machu Picchu across the valley. It's a challenging hike, but seeing the lost city from this different perspective is an unforgettable experience. Now, here's probably my most important piece of advice. Hire a local guide. You can wander around and be amazed by the beauty, but without a guide, you're just looking at old stones. A good local guide brings the city to life. They'll unlock the history, explain the purpose of the different buildings, the temples, the royal residences, the astronomical observatories, and share stories and theories about why the city was abandoned. They'll point out all the subtle details, like the animal shapes in the stonework, that you would have walked right past. Investing in a 2-hour tour will completely transform your understanding and appreciation of this incredible place. Finally, a logistical tip that makes all the difference, especially for getting that early start. Stay overnight in Aguas Calientes. This is the small town at the base of the mountain, also known as Machu Picchu Pueblo. While many people visit on a long-day trip from Cusco, staying in Aguas Calientes allows you to be first in line for the bus up the mountain in the morning. You can wake up, have a quick breakfast, and be at the gates right as they open, well-rested and ready to explore. It takes the stress out of the journey and maximizes your precious time at this wonder of the world. So there you have it. My top tips for making your trip to Machu Picchu absolutely unforgettable. It is a place that will capture your heart and leave you in awe of the ingenuity and spirit of the Inca civilization. I truly hope these tips help you plan the adventure of a lifetime. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next travel adventure. If you have any questions or your own Machu Picchu tips, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Until next time, happy travels.